Oh, hi everyone. My name is John Nowacki. I'm Chief of Police of Rolling Meadows. I was just checking the oil of this 1964 Pontiac Catalina. You might ask, what's a 1964 Pontiac Catalina doing here? Well, this is the star of our next series. It is Project Car 182. Project Car 182 is going to be the transformation of this vehicle right here. 2 tons, 4,000 pounds, 1964 Pontiac Catalina, as I said. Back in 1964, when Rolling Meadows was just an infant, just 9 years old, one of these vehicles, a 1964 Pontiac Catalina, was the pride of the fleet, patrolling the streets of Rolling Meadows, making sure it was safe for the community. And we're going to do a transformation back in time, and we're going to transform this vehicle into a pristine Rolling Meadows police car. Today is the first of many of our video series. I hope you stay tuned and watch future episodes as you see the transformation of this vehicle. I want to give a shout out to Jason Everett. Officer Everett was the one that located this vehicle down in Missouri. Like I said, special thanks to him, and please stay tuned as you see this vehicle gets transformed into a 1964 Rolling Meadows police car. Thank you.